Georgia Sports Hertz here. We're doing box of 2024 Topps Disney Chrome here. Good luck to you all. Again, appreciate the film. This one. Let's see. Last time. Oh, didn't we have an extra number in the Donalds? So 3 Mickeys, 3 Minis, and same Donalds again. Alright. Good luck. We got Ham, Pacha to spot 5, Miguel, spot 1, Boggs, spot 9, Lilo, spot 2, and Bell Refractor, spot 9. That is Darren. Piglet, spot 7. Queen of Hearts, spot 1. Sven, spot 7. Dumbo, spot 4. We got Cal Weathers, spot 2, and Gabby, spot 3. Come on, Gabby's real. Genie, spot 6. We got Hector, spot 3. Judy Hopps, spot 6. Sisu, spot 5, and a purple. Baymax, 174 of 199. Stanley. And an Anna Refractor, spot 4. That is also Stanley. Pete, Stinky Pete, spot 1. Geppetto, spot 4. Lumen, spot 7. Marlin, and the purple right behind it. Ham, spot 6 on the Marlin. That is 9 of 150. Darren on the Ham. And we got King Magnifico debut there. And Baymax. We got an orange. Good luck. Captain Hook, spot 3. Fairy Godmother, spot 8. Visconti, spot 1. Good luck. Forky, spot 2 on the orange. Oh. Backwards there. Pixar, orange. Laurel Lightfoot. 15 of 25. Darren. There you go, Darren. Short print of 25. Probably during Christmas. That's gonna be my guess. Tramp, spot 5. Par spot 9. A lot of Raz groups I'm in, they'll throw them up and can do Razes on them. So I'll try to get one on the cheap. Fredrickson, spot 4. Happy, spot 3. Bruce, spot 1. And Sally Carrera, spot 9. Need to hit the rage. We got Miss Bianca, spot 9. We got Edna Mode, spot 1. Doug, spot 6. Sleepy, spot 0. Shank, really? Her name's Shank? Spot 9. And Inside Out, Anger, spot 4. He's in. Whoa, what is that? Looks like Dalmatian print? Pluto, spot 5. Queen Amaya, spot 3. 22, spot 6. Miriam Mendelson, spot 2. We had the Raya, and good luck on this thing. Upside down. Disney. Who is that? Oh, it's Grant. That's probably what Grant's wearing right now. Merlin. Where's the numbering? Oh, it's right there. Oh, that's funny. It's number 201. That's pretty cool. 6 of 101. 6 is Josh. Nice one there. How does it say that it is you? The Grant PC. We got Princess Aurora, spot 6. We got Heimlich, spot 0. Julieta Madrigal, spot 9. Hercules, spot 5. Hiro Hamada, spot 2. And Anxiety, spot 6. Duchess, spot 4. Incredible, spot 5. Anxiety, spot 7. Bashful, spot 9. Shere Khan, spot 1. And a Future Star. These are funny. Antonio Madrigal, spot 0. Jenny. So are they like, are the Future Stars like all the young kids? Which would make sense, right? They just picked out some of the younger characters. Yeah, there's a Mickey. And there's also a cut auto of, what's his name? Slinky, spot 6. Thumper, spot 6. Matthias, spot 0. Oh, look at that. Johnny's even in here. Wow, spot 3. Arlo, spot 4. Nala, spot 4. What's up, Say? Forky, spot 2. Cogsworth, spot 3. Abuela Madrigal, Spot 6. Wanter Noose. Spot 1. Nemo. Spot 5. And Queen Sarabi. Spot 9. That was the break. So no extra parallel in that one. But nice Dalmatian one. We didn't hit Dalmatian in the last one. Not bad, not bad. Congrats all as a hit. Nice orange. Short print to 25 there.